about WorkStation. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 59 inches, a depth of 31.5 inches, the overall height, 54.5 inches tall, minus the shelves, they have a height of 30.5 inches. Measurements for each shelf will include 23.5 inches for the left and right bottom shelf, 12 inches in length for the left and right top shelf. And the depth for each, we have 12 inches. Height for the top shelves only will include 24 inches towards the top shelf and 12 inches towards the bottom shelf, and 12 inches from the countertop to the top of the center, with the center shelf measuring 14 inches in length. Coming almost towards the middle will be the compartment with a slide door. Right beneath is a drain. And the compartment sink, we have a measurement of 10 inches in length, 13 inches in depth, and a height of 7 inches. Coming to the left will be 2 additional swivel head faucets and a drain cart. Drain cart can be adjusted from right to left. Right beneath will be the drain basket. Measurements for the left side sink will include 13 3/4 inches in depth by 13.5 inches in length, and height also measuring 7 inches. The drip cart tray will measure 5.5 inches in length by 14 1/4 inches in depth. Coming to the left will be the controller to adjust temperature. Right beneath is a vent cover that can be loosened. And inside internally will be a separate hose for your drain. Okay. Nice. And that drain is for beneath the cabinet to release the water and access ice. Coming to the bottom dimensions of the interior, we have 38 inches in length, and depth 24.5 inches. So the height measuring 22 inches tall. Coming to the right will be a adjustable shelf. The shelf measuring 18.5 inches in length, like 23 inches in depth. Coming to the back will be the sticker and specifications for this workstation, along with 2 separate hoses for the water connection, along with the 110 voltage.
For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this part.